Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can activate the low power mode on your iPhone. There could be two ways. The first way is the regular way. You just need to open the settings and you just need to scrolling down until you got the battery option, and then you just need to tap on it. Just take a look and focus on these two options. The first one is battery percentage and the second one is low power mode. If you want to activate them, just go tap into this button, and then the color of the battery could be changed from green or white to yellow, mean that the low power mode is already active. If you want it to turn it off, just go tap into the button back. That could be the first way. And the second way could be this. You just need to back into your home screen and just take a look on this top side here, and then you just need to swipe into the down side and you will access the control center, and there will be like a one button there that can activate the low power mode on your phone. So this is the button that you can use to activate the low power mode on the control center. So you just need to tap into the button, but then sometimes this button is not appear on your phone. You just need to open the setting to make it like available there. Visit the control center and make sure that low power mode is already included into the controls. If there is not here, it means that the low power mode, it could be in the more controls in the down part here. Make sure you click the plus button to make them included into the controls. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.